Tonight, a school voucher bill is closer to becoming law than ever before. It passed the House, is being refined by the Senate, and then to Governor Abbott's desk. But as Adriana Dalba reports, getting a voucher doesn't guarantee admission to private school.
One vote is one step closer to making private school vouchers in Texas a reality.
It really is historic.
In a historic first, the House gave initial approval to a bill that will put $1 billion taxpayer dollars toward funding private school tuition.
The courage, as I said, has left the building.
About 100,000 students could initially benefit, but a voucher does not guarantee admission into a private school.
Our fight became more difficult.
Clay Robinson with the Texas State Teachers Association is against the voucher plan.
Millionaires with kids already in private school could get a voucher to get a tax subsidy for their tuition, whereas low-income families will be struggling still to cover the cost of private school tuition.
If public demand exceeds the program's capacity, students with disabilities and low-income families will be prioritized. Genevieve Collins with Americans for Prosperity sees so-called education savings accounts as a benefit.
It's really focused around children and making sure that every child has the opportunity to succeed in an environment that best meets their needs.
There are still a lot of questions around how this will actually work. Well, the House and Senate now have to iron out the differences on things like prioritizations for eligibility and how that funding gets dispersed.
The House also gave initial approval to a sweeping $7.7 billion in funding for public schools.
And now they'll be even more underfunded after this voucher bill passed.
The bill's advancement crossing a historic milestone that could transform Texas education for years to come. In DFW, I'm Adriana Dalba.